In this video today, I'm going to practically show you step-by-step process on how you can withdraw your earning, your money, your income from BoloUp live streaming platform. So for some reasons, this is the third time I'm withdrawing from this app, but I always forget to screen record. If all this interests you, please give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So the first thing you need to do to be able to withdraw your income or money from BoloUp live streaming platform is to bind your withdrawal account, and you can either withdraw to USDT, that's crypto wallet, or ePay. And in the description of this video, I will drop link to a video where I show you practically how to open an ePay account and verify ePay account, as well as how you can withdraw money from your ePay to your local currency. And as well, I'll also show you how you can withdraw from BoloUp to via USDT. So I'll be using Bybit to copy my wallet address. So when I go on Bybit, I'm going to click assets. When I click on my asset on Bybit, I will now click on deposit. When I click deposit, I will now click on deposit crypto. When I click deposit crypto, I will now click USDT, and then I'll select TRC20, and then I'll copy my wallet address, and then come back here on BoloUp. I will now click on my diamond, then accounts, I will click on USDT. So if it is ePay, you just put in your Gmail. Then I will now paste my wallet address and bind. So that is how I will withdraw to USDT. And if you want to withdraw to ePay, all you need to do is to put your verify email address on ePay. So once that is done, you have successfully bind your ePay wallet address for USDT. Then the next thing is to withdraw. So right now I have up to $57. If you notice, if you are watching closely, you will see that I'm cutting different videos just so that this will be seamless for you. So I will just click on my diamond. When I click on diamond, I've already bind my account, so I'll just click on maximum, or I'll type how much I want to withdraw. So here I have 57 USDT. So I will now US dollars, so I'll click on withdraw. So when I click on withdraw, they are going to tell me that they are going to charge me up to $2, but with ePay they are charging very less, like less than $1. So you now click on confirm if you are okay with it. So I'll click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, the money will go straight to your USDT wallet address. So that is how to withdraw. In the description of this video and in the comment section, I'm going to drop links to playlist video on videos I've make on BoloUp and other live streaming platforms that you can use to make money on the internet. Until I come your way again in my next video, do have a wonderful day. Hope you have liked, subscribed, drop a beautiful comment. Bye.